Good afternoon, everybody. I'm under an umbrella here. I'm heading down towards the pond. Wow. You can see what this has already done. I kind of watch my step here. Yeah, look at the water running off the hill here. Wow. Yeah, you get a real good idea of how the water runs off everything here. Wow. Yeah, a real good idea here, folks, of what it's like when it rains here, and why I plant everything in tall rows like I do. Wow. Everything runs downhill here, and of course everything runs off the road. And of course all this that you see flowing there runs down into the pond. If this continues for much longer, the pond will be at overflow here too. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't really do the kind of soak-in rain here because the ground is so hard. Everything runs and runs off. And I just got done planting beans and corn, and hopefully it hasn't gotten to them enough. Like I said, that's why I do everything in tall rows here, because the ground being clay and everything else, a heavy rain like this just basically runs, and everything of course runs downhill. And I'm approaching overflow in the pond here now. Wow. Kind of got to watch my step here, or I'll wind up getting absolutely soaked. But here you can see how it runs. Everything runs off the road here. And I don't even want to step down in there. I'll get swept into the pond. Wow. Well, we definitely need these hard rains, that's for sure. As I look back up towards the top up there, and you can kind of see what's going on here. I better kind of stay put where I am, but as it runs off and down the road, like I said, this is really, this piece right through here is actually the low spot on the hill here, and everything from here is downhill all the way to the river and eventually to the ocean here. And very soon here, as you can see, yeah, I don't even want to try to cross that. There's roots down in there I can trip over. And of course with running water, you don't want to take a chance. It'll sweep you away so fast you won't even know what happened. And yeah, I don't want to be in that position. Wow. Pretty amazing here. And of course the rice fields down below where I was cleaning up. Wow. Yep, there she goes. Yep, she's breaching the top of the pond and top of the wall of the dam right now. So she'll be overflowing by inches here because there's nowhere else for the water to go. We've got overflows on each side, but no way can they handle this amount of water. So I'm going to kind of turn around here, watch my step real casually here. Wow. Wow. And it doesn't seem to be letting up too much. But that's what happens with the heavy rain here. I'm going to see if I can walk all the way back up towards the road here. And I basically got everything draining here. Hopefully, like I said, all the planting would have been for naught. Wow. If I hadn't put it in rows here. Wow. Just a little water in the well. Pretty amazing. But you can see how it comes down the road here. And all this is uphill. So basically it all runs downhill. And of course it comes from across the road there too. Like I said, all downhill here. Comes from across the road, runs down and through. And of course down into the pond down there. So I'm going to kind of let y'all go here. I'm still underneath the umbrella here, but lightning real close. So I'll be back again.